Hi, my name is Kevin Deal with TOA Electronics, and I'm going to talk to you about our latest offering, which is the HA series. We have 4 different models. It is designed to project the human voice long distances, up to a mile or 2 in some cases. And we have the 4 different models. The one thing that stands out about these is that they run off such little wattage. So the one you see right here runs off 120 watts. We have another one over there that runs off of 30 watts. And we also have a model that runs off of 240 watts, which is 2 of these. And another one that runs off of 60 watts, which is basically 2 of those. And so you'd use these in emergency situations. You can use them in industrial areas, educational areas, racetracks, anywhere where you need to get sound over great distances with the human voice. So you can learn more about the HA series at toaelectronics.com.